Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm an award-winning wig specialist, and today I'm going to share something with you really personal. I've been waiting to do this video, and since I've shared with you before about my hair loss, I just wanted to share with you how this particular video came to be. I lost my hair years ago due to weight loss, pretty much completely. As it's grown back, it hasn't been quite the same as far as density. So it's really difficult for me to share this today, but I'm super excited to share hair enhancements, which make me feel really confident, really comfortable, and very natural. I love my wigs, but at the same time, it's always nice to have different options. So today, again, I'm gonna talk to you about hair enhancements from Noriko, Amore, and our high fashion lines. Let's get started. First hair enhancement is going to be Mini TP, which is this tiny little jewel. This is René human hair. Again, let me show you the base. This is double monofilament. This has 2 low pressure clips here. It's 4.5 inches on the short side and 6 inches on the side. You can pretty much wear this in any direction. You can wear it this way, you can wear it this way. I'm gonna choose to wear it this way today. So the great thing about these pieces are they're very lightweight, which is important with hair density like mine. I'm gonna just clip this in, which is really quick, as you can see. And all I've really done to my own hair is put a little bit of curl. This is just a nice quick way to add a little bit of bang. You could also move it back in the crown area for someone with the shorter hairstyle and use for filling or to add density. And again, this is just 2 low clips. The Mini TP. This piece is Diamond TP. This is also René human hair, double monofilament, 5 inches in the bang area, 12 inches on the sides. This is probably my favorite hair enhancement. And the beautiful thing about these pieces is the design. It has kind of a diamond shaped design, which is really important. Some of the toppers I've tried on before have a little bit too much foundation. This is a double monofilament and it fits very comfortably. Has 4 low clips, and as you can see, this is just so easy to clip in. And this is just instant transformation. And I always kind of just work my little baby hairs here to help it makes it look more natural. So this is Diamond TP. This is Flex TP. This is synthetic. It is 13 inches in the front layer here in the bang area, going from a 14 inch to 16 inches in length. This is monofilament in the base. What I really like about this piece is it has our soft wire perimeter. When you put it on, let me just show you what's wonderful about this piece. The wire perimeter allows you to really contour this to your head, which most foundations you cannot do this with. The density is great for someone with my amount of hair. And again, I always just take a little bit of my hair here. Just gonna blend it in. Isn't that nice? So again, you take the wire that's around the base here, and you contour the wire perimeter to the shape of your head. Really easy to do. I just can't get over how natural this looks. This is Luxe TP. This is going to be about 9.4 inches on the shorter layers, about 16.5 inches in the length. This is lace front, which is I'm really excited about. And this is a monofilament base. This also has our soft wire perimeter. So you have to be a little bit more careful with placement on this particular piece. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to be careful to make sure that I have this closest to my hairline here, As you can see, I'm being really careful where I'm placing the lace. And I always suggest, if you're not sure what type of topper to wear, look for direction from your hairstylist, your professional hairstylist, the person that helps you with your hair solutions. And always remember to go to reneapparels.com to see all the different toppers available. This is a little bit lighter than my bio hair, but the beautiful thing about that is I'm adding just a little bit of highlight. I always kind of blend in my baby hairs here. Look how nice that looks. Hair enhancements are the perfect accessory. So again, this is Luxe TP. I'm going to share with you the hairdo that I use on the weekends when we're out at the ranch. I'm Texas Wig Fairy, and we do spend a lot of time out in the ranch. It's open field. We're sometimes taking care of our lovely animals. And so I don't necessarily want to wear a wig. I'm wearing a cowboy hat. So this is one of the looks that I've found to be most comfortable. I'm using the mini TP today, and I'm also going to be using Evanna TP. So if you've seen my flip your wig video, you'll understand the funness in this, if you will. So just bear with me as I kind of transform my look to my weekend hair. Taking just mini TP here. The great thing about these pieces is that there's no real wrong way to wear these. This is gonna seem a little different, but this is Evanna TP, and I'm not gonna be wearing it here. I'm gonna be wearing it like a little fall. And you'll see why in just a minute. So, the reason I'm doing this is because when I put my hair up, usually with a little clip, I honestly don't have the density that I need. So this makes me feel more comfortable and less self-conscious when I'm out and about if I want to wear a little hair accessory. So all I do here is I kind of just gather and mix these two pieces together. And I just pull a little bit of my own hair out here. Okay, keep in mind I'm gonna be wearing a cowboy hat or a hat, or sometimes I just go without. So this is just a little clip I'm gonna be using. And again, I'm gonna be out and about, so I'm not trying to make it perfect. I'm trying to just make a really casual, quick look. So please remember, this is just a really fun, quick look. This is my weekend hair. I'm using mini TP and Evanna TP. And again, this is not a perfect style. This is something I did really quickly. And again, I'm gonna be on the ranch here. This is Evanna TP. This has to be one of my favorite top pieces. This is Pastel Blue R, and if you've looked at other tutorials or you've seen me at Texas Wig Fairy on Instagram, you know this is one of my favorite colors. So I'm super excited to share with you today how I'm gonna wear this. First of all, I'd like to let you know that this is lace front, lace part, and it's about 11.5 inches all the way around. I like to wear this, and my hair is longer, but I'm going to show you a little technique I've learned. This is what I call my maybe poolside hair, or if I'm going to be out and about in the yard and I really don't want to wear my full piece, this is how I clip my hair. And I'm just taking a basic little clip, just like this. But I was really surprised to learn how to wear this without having to get rid of my length. And I like wearing this when I'm like working in a hotter climate, or if I'm gonna be in the pool area. Super easy to clip in. And as you can see, because of the little dark, like the R, the rooted, it really blends in with my natural hair here. And as you can see, you would never know that I have longer hair in the back. Evanna TP. It took me a little bit to get out of my comfort zone, but if you're thinking of trying maybe wearing your natural hair as it's grown back, or whatever may be the case, if you've lost a little bit of hair, if you just want to increase density, this is such a wonderful alternative. Always remember to go to reneeparis.com to see our different styles that are available in different colors.